Right, we've hit 100 subscribers on the channel. Thank you to everyone who's subscribed, and I've got a list together of the top 3 videos that you most likely subscribe from. The first one is the big wheel pit bike conversion. The video's on 4.9k views, and thank you to everyone who has viewed that. That video has gained a channel 19 subscribers. Thank you to everyone who subscribed from that and stuck around. Thank you very much. Yeah, so in that video I swapped my small wheels on my pit bike for bigger wheels, and you guys really liked it, and it shows by the number of likes in that video, so thank you very much. The second video is off-roading on my Derby. This is one of my most recent videos, and I've gained 7 subscribers from that video, and thank you very much. And this is probably one of the reasons why I hit 100 subscribers, is because people subscribed from that video. So thank you to people who subscribed for that video, and thank you to everyone in general who subscribed. One of you, we wouldn't have hit 100. And the third one is the oil change video, which is on 1.6k views, and we've gained 7 subscribers from that. And again, thank you to everyone who subscribed from that and viewed and watched the video, and obviously liked the video. Just thank you to everyone in general. The support means a lot to me, and yeah, thank you. Now on to some bad news. I have crashed my bike, and it's got some frame damage. I cracked a foot peg mount and dented in the frame. That's been repaired, so not the best situation, but it's been repaired and I should be on my bike soon. So I don't know when I'll get it back, but just stay tuned, get subscribed. I did get the crash on record, so that'll be released very soon. Make sure you're subscribed for that. And thank you again, and I'll see you guys in the next video.